Do you need a protection for outdoor unit or split AC? I mean, they are designed for extreme outdoor weather conditions. And also, if you know more about modern air conditioners, the outdoor units or condenser unit has hot coils, and temperature of the coil is maintained at high temperature by compressor motor, which does this by increasing its pressure. Modern ACs have scroll type compressor and can only accept refrigerant in vapor state. So what can a protection cover can do for the condenser unit or outdoor unit? Firstly, the compressor which sits near the outdoor fan of the outdoor unit is a motor with magnetic parts and metal wires. If the temperature of the motor rises too much by heat, the magnetic properties of both magnets and metal wire reduces. So the motor needs to draw extra current to rotate itself, thereby reducing its efficiency. Secondly, the condenser unit or outdoor unit has metallic fans or metal parts which are prone to rusting and heating up. So if it is uncovered from heat and rain, the fan can get rust and expand and can make noise more than usual. Here are some more statements that says protecting your AC outdoor unit or condenser unit can increase its efficiency. Moisture or water can freeze the air conditioner's condenser coil, which can cause damage over time. However, there is no way to keep moisture out 100% all the time, but you can reduce the moisture level by shading it. Anyway, when the fan runs, the moisture around it goes away. Energy.gov confidently states that shading the outside unit can increase its efficiency by up to 10%. Even house-savvy bobvilla.com proclaims shading your air conditioner can reduce energy cost by as much as 50%. Keeping them out of sun should help them get rid of heat more efficiently. Now you may have realized the importance of having a cover for your AC outdoor unit. I have made a video about making a simple outdoor unit cover by yourself using Forex boards. You can check it in cards. However, I recommend buying a premium AC cover from online store or local household store that is made of good material, responsible for sunlight reflection and has shading properties. A new household innovative product manufacturing company called Guru Ventures has sent me a pair of premium AC outdoor cover for review. Here it is. Okay guys, I got this package from Guru Ventures. So this is basically a cover or protection for the outdoor unit of ACs. I have 3 ACs in my house. So I have here one. So I will review it on 2 outdoor units and install it. I will show how to install it, and maybe after few months or after 6 months I will show how it is performing. Is it good or bad? So let's try it out. Installing this is very simple. First you need to clean the upper surface of the outdoor unit, then open up the cover straight. There is tape at the bottom which are basically some strong stickers. Remove the sticker covers and stick it on the top of the fan unit. There is also a flexible rope or band to fix the cover down and firm on the outdoor unit, which can help to avoid it blowing away in windy environment. And that's it. The cover is installed. The cover is made of high quality premium and reflective material and looks good. So give it a test and see if it is really good. After about 6 months of use, the premium cover is looking brand new with no dust or algae stains. There is Guru Venture badge too, no rusting on that too. The material is still the same like it was when installed. So yeah, good and definitely worth of money. Though little expensive, but I had only 6 months to test it. If you feel that it will degrade, leave a comment asking is it still working, and if at that time it is a year or two and if it is still working, I will leave the right comment and tell you whether it is working or not. Most common questions people ask about outdoor unit is Even if you don't use AC during daytime, does it needs protection cover? The answer is yes. As per manufacturer, the material used in the cover reflects 99% of the sunlight, thus protecting the outdoor unit from scorching heat, which is quite common in summers. This in turn prevents body paints of outdoor units from wearing out and getting prone to rusting. It also prevents wear and tear of spare parts and prevents smooth flow of refrigerant. So overall, it prevents the abrasiveness, gas leakage outdoor unit parts, which is quite common complaint in AC outdoor unit. There is some more facts from the manufacturer. AC in general contributes to 40% of electricity and about 14% to greenhouse gas emissions. By using premium AC cover, you can save 24% of your electricity bill and reduce the greenhouse to about 12% and help the machine to work at optimum capacity and also helping it to be more environment friendly. If you have decided to protect your AC outdoor unit, check the links in the video description to buy today the covers of your AC outdoor unit and hurry up. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a like and share it with your friends and subscribe and turn on the notification to watch the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye and have a good time.